Hello everyone. If your blog traffic is dropping, then you're not alone. The way we search the internet has fundamentally changed, and today we're fixing that. We're talking about optimizing the feature snippet and AI overview, the new top of the search page. For decades, the goal of SEO was to get one of the 10 blue links on the first page of Google. The number one spot meant a guaranteed click. But right now, Google is no longer a librarian listing sources, it's an answering engine. And the problem is the rise of no-click search. First, it was the feature snippets, a direct answer box that stole the clicks. But right now, we have AI overview. These large automatically generated summaries sit at the very top of the page, powered by AI models that synthesize information from different websites. When a user gets a complete answer right there, they don't scroll down. Even though your content is used to build these answers, people skip your blog, killing your traffic. Studies have confirmed that there's a significant drop in click-through rates, even though that page has been ranked very well. So how do you adapt? You need to shift from a traditional SEO to a dual strategy. 1. Answer Engine Optimization, AEO. And 2. Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. Your new goal is to be the preferred source the AI must cite. So AEO is all about winning the immediate answer. Here the goal is to win the feature snippet and all the quick facts that the AI pull. Here you earn the highly visible citation link at the top of the search page, and this link leads the users who wants to dive deeper straight into your blog. Next is GEO, which is an advanced move. This is all about optimizing your content to be consumed and trusted by the underlying AI model that builds the entire AI overview. Here the goal is to provide context, depth, and unique insight on a broad topic. So now AI consistently cites you, boosting your long-term authority and brand recognition, even when users are not clicking on you. So here's how you implement AEO and GEO today. So number 1, structure is everything. Because AI loves structure. So front load your answers. Make a concise direct answer to your main query within the first 100 words of your article. So answer first and then expand. You can also use questions as headings. So turn your H2 and H3 headings into direct question-based phrases like how to implement GEO, and immediately follow that with a short and a direct answer in a paragraph, bulletin point, or in a list. And you can use schema markup. Use structured data like FAQ schema to directly tell the AI what answers can be found on your page. Now, number 2, build unquestionable trust. AI is programmed to prioritize high-quality sources, so focus on your original content. Publish unique data, proprietary studies, or first-hand experience. AI cannot replicate this, so it has to pull it from you. You must show credibility. So make sure that your content is written or reviewed by an expert. Use real author bios and cite your sources by linking to a credible site like a government domain or an academic domain. And number 3, think beyond the click. Because the new metrics is visibility and brand authority. So you have to be the best answer and not just the highly ranked link. So the game has changed, but the rules are more clearer now. Be the best, the clearest, and the most trusted source of information. That's how you win this age of answer engine. Also, how are you adapting your content strategy in this AI-driven world? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.